Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make buffalo chicken dip in the crock pot. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of cooked chicken, 1 16-ounce block of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce, 1/2 cup of ranch dressing, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You'll also need a slow cooker. Make sure your cream cheese is softened for easier mixing. Once your ingredients are ready, add the shredded chicken, softened cream cheese, buffalo wing sauce, ranch dressing, and shredded cheddar cheese into your crock pot. Stir everything together thoroughly until well combined. Cover your slow cooker and cook on the low setting for about 2 hours, or on the high setting for 1 hour, stirring occasionally until the dip is hot and bubbly. After cooking, give your buffalo chicken dip a final good stir to ensure all ingredients are perfectly blended and smooth. The cheese should be fully melted and the dip should be creamy. Transfer it to a serving dish, or serve directly from the crock pot to keep it warm. Garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or a little extra hot sauce if you like. For an even easier prep, use a stand mixer with the paddle attachment to shred your cooked chicken in seconds. You can also easily adjust the amount of buffalo wing sauce to make your dip milder or spicier, depending on your preference. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy crock-pot buffalo chicken dip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.